Hello and welcome to the 2-minute series. The topic for today is options. Now, once you've understood that what is a derivative, which I've told you, it is a contract that is signed between two parties, which is deriving its value from an underlying asset. A special case under a derivative is an option. Now, what happens in an options derivative is that options comprise of one category of derivatives where one has the option to buy or not to buy at a future date. Now, this is best understood with the help of an example. Suppose there is a share which has a cost of rupees 100 and A and B are getting into a derivative agreement. They are getting into a contract that after 3 months, A is going to sell these shares to B. That means B is going to purchase these shares from A. Now, A is going to expect that the shares value is going to increase after 2 months. A is probably expecting that this will become 150 and B probably is expecting that this is going to drop to 90. Only then this agreement is what has been signed after 3 months. So both are expecting. Now, if B has one option, both of them have this contract and this contract is with an option. So both these parties have an option that they can withdraw from this contract after 3 months. Now, what happens is, suppose after 3 months, the actual price is 120. Now, it might be that A is unwilling to sell his shares because he thinks that there's not much profit, and B also might be unwilling to buy these shares because it feels that the price has increased. So what is going to happen in such cases that if either of them withdraws from the contract, they have this option that they can after 3 months say that we don't want to be a party of this contract. Then in that case, the contract is not going to be implemented. That is one option. But then what is the gain for both of them to actually come into this contract? The gain is something called premium. Now, a premium amount is what is set up that if anybody withdraws from this contract, then that person will have to pay the other person something called a premium, which probably will be set at suppose 20 rupees. Now, if B is the one who first refuses, that he does not wish to go into this contract, B will have to pay a premium to A. Similarly, if A walks out of this contract, A will have to pay this premium to B. So this kind of contracts, these kind of derivative options are highly popular because they allow the option of withdrawing from that particular contract, and this is what is known as derivative options. So that's all for today's discussion. I thank you all for watching the video.